Hello and welcome to our video on 14 ways to find love in 2023. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to meet that special someone. But don't worry, we've got you covered with 14 tried and true methods for finding love. Online dating apps and websites. These are some of the most popular ways to find a romantic partner in the modern world. With a variety of platforms to choose from, you can find someone who shares your interests and values. Speed dating events. These events give you the opportunity to meet a large number of potential partners in a short amount of time. They can be a fun and efficient way to see if there's a spark with someone. Matchmaking services. Professional matchmakers can help you find someone who is compatible with you. They use a variety of methods to find potential matches, including personality tests and compatibility algorithms. Social events and clubs. Joining clubs or organizations related to your hobbies and interests can help you meet like-minded people. Whether it's a hiking group, a book club, or a cooking class, you'll have the opportunity to connect with others who share your passions. Volunteering. Not only will volunteering for a cause you care about make a positive impact in the world, but it can also help you meet kind-hearted and compassionate people. Taking up a new hobby or activity. This can be a great way to meet new people and potentially find love. Whether it's rock climbing, painting, or salsa dancing, trying something new can lead to unexpected connections. Asking friends to set you up. Your friends may know someone who would be a great match for you. Don't be afraid to ask for their help in finding love. Trying out the 36 questions. This is a psychological experiment that involves asking a series of questions to a partner, which is believed to increase intimacy and lead to love. Attending events and festivals. These can be great opportunities to meet new people and potentially find love. From music festivals to food fairs, there's something for everyone. Joining a sports team or gym. This can be a great way to meet people who share similar interests and values. Whether it's a pickup basketball game or a spin class, you'll have the chance to bond over a shared activity. Trying out a language exchange program. This can be a great way to meet people from different cultures and potentially find love. You can learn a new language while also getting to know someone new. Traveling. Exploring new places and meeting new people can be a great way to find love. You never know who you might meet on your travels. Taking classes or workshops. This can be a great way to meet people with similar interests and passions. From painting classes to coding workshops, there are endless opportunities to learn and connect with others. Trying out a dating coach. A dating coach can help you improve your dating skills and increase your chances of finding love. They can give you personalized advice and guidance to help you navigate the dating world. So there you have it, 14 ways to find love in 2023. Remember to always be yourself, be open to new experiences, and keep an open mind. With a little bit of effort and a positive attitude, you can find love this year.